This is just a follow-up to the Sting and Sally video. We're gonna be really quiet as we come to the police car because I think Billy Whiteshoes has a kitten too. Or many kittens. So that's at least 3 different kittens I've seen. Hello, Billy Whiteshoes. Hello, Billy. Meow. Billy is a grandma. I wonder if she knows that. And I think the daddy has been, something's happened to him. Anyway. Hey, Pabs. What a morning. It's a cat morning. So we'll have to see what transpires with your cats, Billy. Alright. End of. It's a cat day, man.